Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning back in. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really appreciate you guys for tuning in. So today is a lens check video featuring IQ Natural. I am so excited to be partnering with them. They sent me some amazing products that I'm really excited to share with you guys. I know from the last video I was using rice water on my hair, but I actually switched it up a little bit. I'm using the conditioner on my hair. Don't get me wrong, the conditioner is amazing. So the spray I was using was making my hair very sour. It smelled very sour after a while, so I really wanted to just find an oil that I can use on a daily basis. As you know, I did experience some heat damage and just overall damage in my hair from going to a hair salon. Being natural, you have to be very patient. You have to be very consistent, willing to work at it, because it's definitely a process. Definitely have to just kind of learn your hair a little bit. I'm really focused on the health and the thickness of my hair versus the length. IQ Natural was so amazing and so sweet to send me this product. They reached out to me, they saw my videos, and they were willing to work with me, and they wanted me to share with you guys their products, and I'm honored to share them with you. So this is the box that they sent me. They sent me actually 4 Jamaican black castor oils. 2 are regular, 2 are the pure refined Jamaican black castor oil, so that's just like the no smell, just the basic one. But they also sent me the lavender scented, and they also sent me the coconut scented, and by far this coconut one has been my favorite. And it's so weird because I don't even like coconut anything. So this is USDA organic, so this is all organic, 100% Jamaican black castor oil. It keeps your hair very moisturized, full of omega-9 fatty acids, which is perfect for hair growth, moisturization, stimulation, and thickener. The good thing about Jamaican black castor oil that I love is the fact that it is versatile. You can use it on your eyelashes, you can use it on your eyebrows. So I've been using it on my hair. I haven't experimented with my eyelashes or eyebrows yet, because they just naturally grow. And I've been also focusing on the top of my head because I did experience damage. I've just been focusing on that area more so because that's where I want to get the most growth, and just my goal is to even out the top of my hair to the rest of my hair. So I have a good year's worth of Jamaican black castor oil, which I'm so grateful for, because I used to use grease on my hair. It did the job for the time. I don't know. I don't really like grease because it just causes a massive buildup. I just love a basic oil that I can just put to my scalp. And what I love is they sent me not one of these, but three tubes to apply the oil to my scalp. So I'm so grateful for these. Thank you, IQ Natural. Right now I have this much left. I've been using it now for like a week and a half, going on 2 weeks. So I've been using a lot. I mean, listen, I just put it to my scalp. I've been using it to my scalp every day now for a week and a half. So I'll just apply it to my scalp. I'll use my fingers to stimulate the oil for about a good 5 to 10 minutes. I also was gifted a lavender therapeutic essential oil, and this is really helpful because it helps me to relax, and I just really appreciate a good essential oil, and lavender is my favorite. So thank you so much for that. Everything is perfect. So thank you, IQ Natural, for reaching out to me. This is such an honor. Yeah, so I twisted my hair overnight, and I just took out the twist, so it kind of looks a little curly, kind of. I'm just going to moisturize my hair a little bit and show you guys the length. So yeah, stay tuned.